In 2020, GitHub pulled off something pretty wild. They took a snapshot of almost all the world's open-source code and stored it inside a frozen mountain in Norway. The project is called the Arctic Code Vault. On February 2, 2020, every active public repository on GitHub was written onto special reels of film and locked away in a decommissioned coal mine on the Svalbard archipelago, one of the coldest and most remote places on Earth. You might be wondering, why Svalbard of all places? Well, it's politically stable, naturally frozen, and protected from most natural disasters. It's also home to the famous Global Seed Vault, where backup copies of crops are stored. In other words, one mountain preserves our food for the future, and another preserves our code. To make sure the data would actually survive the test of time, GitHub couldn't just rely on hard drives that fail after a few years. Instead, they turned to piqlFilm, a long-lasting photosensitive film that can preserve data for centuries. The reels contain around 21 terabytes of repositories, encoded like massive QR codes. Even if modern computers vanish, the data can still be decoded hundreds or even thousands of years from now. So what exactly got preserved? Everything from Linux and Python to Bitcoin source code, plus countless projects from regular developers. Yes, even that unfinished app you forgot to delete might now be part of humanity's digital time capsule. The Arctic Code Vault is basically a safety net for civilization. If future generations or even curious explorers stumble upon it, they'll see the software that shaped our world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.